Today here, Baladevi English Public School. This school is celebrating annual function. But I am seeing here one thing. I can't hear the parents clapping sound. You know, तालियों के बिना आप ये जो बच्चे हैं ये मोटिवेट नहीं होंगे. I am requesting to all parents, please give a big clap for this all teaching staff, all students. And you know, in this school here, the management of this school, Nilesh Dharamtak sir and all management dignitaries, they are appointing the teachers from Kerala. Why it is necessary to appoint the teachers from Kerala? So, because to increase the confidence of the students, and you know, Kerala is the very eastern state in India, and in Kerala there are boat sailor, vegetable seller, they are also talking in English. But why in Maharashtra our students, our teacher staff, our people, why we are not seeing the English speaking skill in Maharashtra? Because here all people here they are appointing the teachers. That Baburaj sir, the principal of this school, and Geeta ma'am, they came from Kerala and they are doing the work from other state. This is the other state of them, and we know in Maharashtra our first language is Marathi, second is Hindi, and third one is English. And all these this management, they are supporting to all parents, but parents cooperation is necessary. Parents को भी cooperation जरूरी होता है बच्चों के progress के लिए. So here we are seeing in this school, and in you know all parents are thinking like that, my child is not talking in English. But why their child is not talking in English? But in this school they are giving the opportunity to you, and whatever we have seen in Akola, in other big cities, that big schools, their students, they are talking in English. But why our students in this school, they are not talking in English? Because cooperation is necessary, and we need your and in this school all teachers staff, they need your cooperation. आपका support जरूरी है parents के लिए. जैसे आपका support parents का support teacher staff के लिए जरूरी रहता है, बच्चों के लिए जरूरी रहता है, वैसे जो clapping sound है वो इनको motivate करने के लिए जरूरी होती है. So I request to all parents, please give a big clap for our students. Clapping sound is very less. तालियों की गूंजी नहीं है. So now we are taking the classes in Patur, but now some performance, some demonstration. Our children is performing in front of you, and this school is very good in Patur. I don't know what is going on in other school, but in this school all teacher staff is very hard working. They are doing very hard work on your student, your children. So you also cooperate this teacher staff. So I request to our children, Ishwari Kale and Vedas Deshmukh, please come on the stage and say some and give some performance in front of you. So I request to all parents, after ending of each and every song, please give a big clap for them, because your clapping sound will motivate our children. So once again, give a big clap, big hand.
अश्विनी धरमटोक मॅडम, रुपाली धरमटोक मॅडम, धनश्री धरमटोक मॅडम यांना मी रंगमंचावर आमंत्रित करते. मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है